So for universal pairing, if you're using another unit to pair to other than ours, it's a little different setup than how you pair our units together. All you're gonna have to do is you're gonna hold your intercom button down. Once your red and blue light starts flashing, you're gonna use whatever universal system you have. You're gonna go by their directions to link to our system. After you link to our system, you're gonna hit the intercom button. That will link it to the other Bluetooth system that you added in. And then to turn your intercom off, it's different than if you're linked to another LEXIN Moto product. You're gonna turn the intercom on with a quick button press of the up and down volume. That will turn the intercom on, and to turn the intercom off, all you're gonna do is a quick press of the power button. And that is how you talk if you link to a universal Bluetooth system. So the B4FN system has a priority system built into it. So if you're receiving a phone call, that is your main priority for your system. Intercom is the second priority, and your music is the third priority. Meaning that if you guys are talking on the intercom and you receive a call, that will take priority over the intercom conversation. If you're listening to music and someone's trying to talk to you over the intercom, it will take priority over the music, so that way you can hear what your friend has to say over the intercom. The system also features a battery life check. If the battery goes below 20%, you will hear a notification every 5 minutes letting you know what the battery's level is at.